8:30. We had a decent sleep. Rhea's in the shower. Hey Siri, what is the temperature?
It's currently 19 degrees.
This isn't my phone. Here's breakfast. The peanuts and the oranges from last night at the Chinese shop. And I have to state for the record that Chinese food never fills me up. Okay?
What?
Not being racist or anything.
Is it because you never order enough?
I don't know. Bananas, and then half of these cookies are mine, and these are homemade. That's breakfast. Or should I say, first breakfast. Hello. Right, we've got to go. So, tell Federico, thank you. Bye guys. This is the white wall that he mentioned. We're waiting for one of these two buses. Taxis are green out here. They're not the classic Hong Kong red. And here is Sai Kung during the daytime. You're taking us somewhere special, aren't you?
I hope I know the way.
We have time for our second breakfast. This one. Rhea wanted to be naughty. She wanted to be evil. Yeah, that's right. So this is mine. Can you explain what this is?
This is actually a specialty of this bakery, and it's called the pineapple bun. It's a Hong Kong style pastry, custard crust on top of the bread, and then the evil part is the butter, so it melts in your mouth. Usually people will queue up for this. Like later.
You can get this anywhere though.
Huh?
You can get this anywhere in Hong Kong.
No, but this crust is later in the afternoon that you see the long line. So we're lucky that we get here early.
If you say so.
Standard.
This to me is just carbs and butter, crusty, okay, crunchy carbs, whatever.
And this is just standard macaron. No, not macaron. Macaroni. What a waste. This is the festival that we're heading to, and from the design that is like a salt farm, and this symbol or this character actually means farm. It's a return ticket. It costs you $60 each, so roughly around $8 US.
It's in the size of this boat. Look at this queue. Oops, sorry. I think we're going to need a bigger boat.
This is actually like a real fishing boat. They're hanging the fishes. They're hanging the fishes at the back to make the dry fish.
This actually looks like the official boat. Play mahjong.
Oh, nice.
Mahjong table.
It's a living room, kitchen, bathroom. That's the toilet.
That's the toilet, surely. It does seem like the boat is for something else, doesn't it?
It's a house.
Here's our basic run of events. We're going to be landing here, and then we're going to follow this course, go through the St. Joseph's Chapel, and then an old Hakka village. Look at this spring of living water, and we're going to check out the salt pans in the middle of the island. And if we've got time, We're gonna go to this bridge. You can see the other boats coming in. The whole flotilla. Okay, let's think about this for a second. These people, they don't care about their houses, so they're abandoned. And so because they don't care, they now accrue a value because they're abandonment. And now we care because this is the state they're in, because someone didn't care enough to look after them. Why? Why?
It's interesting because in a Western sort of housing, and then you have this Chinese feng shui symbol.
Oh, okay. And what does it represent?
Double lock.
Double lock?
Yeah.
So why not make it quintuple? Quintuple, sorry.
I'm not the right person to ask.
Raya was saying that this was the first site of the chapel. I think that's a pterodactyl. What kind of evil bird makes that sound?
The trees.
Using the what?
The trays. You can see.
Yeah.
Underneath the paint is the trays that are used to filter the grains and rice.
Raya's got something to share to us all. What are you going to say?
Yeah. You're the only white guy on the island.
How do you say that in Chinese?
你是唯一的鬼佬.
Well, there we go. Salt. Genuine, bona fide, natural salt. This guy's explaining.
係咪啊？可能你後生可能唔知啊，我哋又係啦，咁就盡量保護成個過程裏邊沙泥石嗰啲唔好入嚟咯。咁但係而家你見到呢啲都係一啲天然嘅物料咯。周邊係啲咩地方啊？有。
Rhea was just saying that you can actually get a free sample if you want, if you can mention this guy's name. Go back to the beginning and they'll give you some. Again, you've got to know his name. So I asked Rhea, well, what's his name?
Wait. Don't tell me. It's something to do with moonlight. It goes with her eyes. It's soft and gentle, warm and yielding, deeply lyrical and yet tender and frightened like a tiny white rabbit.
And I expected her to give me a Chinese name. His name's David. So if you come to the island, did you say David said? What's he doing? Is he just picking out the black bits?
Yeah, picking the impurities. So it takes around 16 days.
Okay.
Yeah, and then basically is a business of the nature. You can't control it. For example, that if there's not enough sunlight, or if it's too damp, or if it's raining, and then they have like certain procedures to prevent it. For example, if it's raining, then they would just like collect these semi-products and back to the barrel until the sun is out.
So he's going to stand here all day and just pick out the impurities. What? You stole a piece of salt. There were 3 locations in Hong Kong where we could make salt. That was Tai O. This is a picture of Tai O right here. The other one is Sao Tao Kok. And then there's another place in Tuen Mun. Salt production ended basically in the 1970s because Thailand and mainland China could make salt, more salt than Hong Kong could. They basically built it to explore for more resources. Rhea wants us to cross this bridge, but I think it's a better use of our time. We should take the drone over there, see if there's anything worth investigating, and then maybe walk over there. Tired of walking.
This guy is lazy.
We're already walking back. The drone has saved us loads of time. No need to have a closer look, is there? We can go and eat now. And if you've seen one pavilion, you've seen them all. And if you've seen one salt farm, well, you haven't seen any actually, because this is the first one. If you haven't seen any, if you've seen one graveyard, you've seen them all. If you've seen a typhoon shelter, you've seen them all. So thank you, DJI. Huh?
Are you gonna Are you gonna stay in house for the rest of your life?
Yes. You just got to find a source of income where you can hashtag life goals. Stop record before. Rhea just gave me a great idea, which in turn involves your help. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube and give me money on Patreon to enable me that lifestyle. Okay, so your favorite YouTuber needs you.
Yeah, we want you.